Are you concerned about the air quality in your home? Over time, dust, debris, pollen, and even mold can accumulate in your air ducts, affecting your indoor air quality and putting stress on your HVAC system. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of two methods for cleaning your air ducts: do-it-yourself cleaning and professional cleaning. Let's start with the DIY approach. Do-it-yourself duct cleaning involves using a shop vac or a standard vacuum cleaner to clean out dirt and debris from your vents. The most significant advantage of this method is cost savings. You likely already have the equipment on hand. However, there are notable disadvantages to consider. Your vacuum hose can only reach the surface of each vent, making it difficult to clean deep within the ducts. Moreover, improper DIY cleaning can lead to damage to your ductwork, especially if you're dealing with fragile duct types. In summary, while it's okay for light maintenance, a do-it-yourself approach may not provide a thorough cleaning of your ducts. Now, let's look at the professional option. If you want a thorough cleaning, hiring a professional air duct cleaning company is the way to go. They use truck-mounted deep cleaning systems that can reach every nook and cranny in your duct system. One significant benefit is that professionals can show you the debris they remove from your ducts, ensuring a thorough job. They also have the expertise to clean without causing harm to your ducts. However, the primary disadvantage is the cost, which can be a few $100s. But remember, you get what you pay for in terms of quality and thoroughness. In conclusion, choosing DIY and professional air duct cleaning depends on your priorities. DIY might suffice if you value cost savings and are okay with limited cleaning. However, investing in a professional service is advisable if you want a deep, thorough cleaning without risking duct damage. Lastly, ensure you work with a reputable company. Avoid falling for bait-and-switch tactics or cheap offers that may result in subpar service. Remember, when it comes to your indoor air quality, quality matters. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you make an informed decision about cleaning the air ducts in your home. Click below to learn more.